Hi teacher friend, this video is your go-to guide for making the most of your new teacher planner insert. If you've purchased my planner inserts, this tutorial is specifically for you. I'll walk you through everything you need to know to customize, download, and print planner pages. By the end of this video, you'll have personalized planner inserts ready to support your teaching journey. So let's dive in. These templates are designed to streamline your daily planning and organization. Your planner inserts come with a comprehensive set of templates including a gradebook, attendance pages, student information trackers, accommodation logs, communication logs, password keepers, meeting notes, and much more. It's truly a one-stop shop for all your organizational needs as a teacher. Now let's get to the exciting part, accessing and editing your Canva template. Canva is an incredibly user-friendly platform, and I'll show you exactly how to make these inserts. You'll need a Canva account. You can use a free account or use your teacher email for an educator account, and you'll have access to pro features. Now just click the Use Template link to make these inserts your own. Canva makes basic editing super simple. You can easily change any text, subjects, or class periods by simply clicking in the text box and typing. You can also adjust the size and style of the text to fit your preference. One of the best features of these inserts is how much you can customize them to truly reflect your personal style and classroom needs. Let's look at how to change images and color. Your planner includes divider pages that you can personalize. To change an image, click on the existing image on the divider page, and then go to the Photos or Elements tab on the left sidebar in Canva. Search for new images, drag and drop them to replace the old one, and adjust as needed. It's a great way to add your unique touch. To make your planner truly yours, you can easily update the colors and fonts. Select the element you want to change, then use the color palette tool at the top of the Canva editor to pick new colors that match your aesthetic. You can also select text and choose from a wide variety of fonts to find your perfect style. Once your planner is perfectly customized, it's time to download and print it. I'll guide you through the best way to get your digital creation into a physical, usable planner. To download, click on the Share button in the top right corner of Canva, then select Download. Choose PDF Print for the best quality. This format is ideal for printing and ensures all your design elements look crisp and professional. You will want to print your inserts two-sided. When you send your PDF to your printer, look for options like print on both sides, duplex printing, or flip on long edge. The exact wording might vary depending on your printer, but enabling this option will ensure your pages print correctly for a double-sided layout. Now that you've customized and printed your planner inserts, you can 3-hole punch and put it in a binder, or you might want to use the Discbound system. I highly recommend the Discbound system. It allows you to easily add, remove, and rearrange pages, making your planner truly flexible. For more information on the Discbound system and more tips on maximizing your teacher planner, be sure to check out my full video that accompanies my Editable Teacher Planner by That Tech Savvy Teacher. Thanks for watching and happy planning.